The challenge of managing information. A traveler was waiting for her breakfast to be served at a business hotel within a reasonable time. The waiter brought her eggs and bacon. She looked at bacon and realized it was too undercooked to eat. She moved it to the side and proceeded to eat the rest of her meal. During a normal visit to the tables, the manager asked how the breakfast was. "All right," she said, "except the bacon was not cooked properly." The manager apologized and went on to another table. A short time later, the waiter appeared and asked the same question. The second time, the traveler was angry. Not only did the restaurant do nothing about the poorly cooked bacon, the manager did not even share the information with the waiter so that he would know of a problem with one of these customers. At Innovations in Epcot is a big display by a major electronic game maker. Many different types of games are available to show the wonder of technology and the exciting games that this company has developed. A visitor walking through the display pick up the controls of the game. After mashing every button in an effort to make the game work, the visitor walked away in frustration, unable to figure it out, and without any information available to educate him. Both situations illustrate the challenge of managing information. In the first case, the manager did not communicate important information to the waiter to alert him about a possible problems with one of these customers that he should know about. The manager had the information but did not communicate it, so the waiter was unable to make a dining experience better. In the second illustration, Epcot visitor was surrounded with information technology of the most advanced kind, but because information was lacking, he could not use any of it. Creating a system that manages information effectively is one of the most important and challenging issues facing any hospitality organizations. Information is data that conforms, and that information system is a method to get the which of informs to those who need to inform. A well-designed information system gets the right information to the right person in the right format at the right time so that it adds values to the person's decisions. The right person is hospitality organization could be the employee, the guest, or both. Information that does not provide value to either the guest or the organization is useless. Informing a guest standing in line waiting for a table and Ralph's restaurant that they had plenty of empty tables last night is not only useless, it is infuriating. Similarly, receiving a free beverage coupon in the mail the day after the offer expires does not enhance the potential guest fondness from the sending organization. Informing the guest, since service is by definition intangible, the information that the hospitality organizations provide to help the guests at the tangible is a critical concern of the information system. What information should the organization provide? In what format, in what quantity, to help create the experience that the customer expect? It, if the experience is the formal dinner, then the restaurant should organize all the information to provide to the patron to cue the perception that this is a formal dining environment and an excellent one at that. The restaurant should be set up to look like a formal dining experience should look. The chef should have the clean white coat and chef that announce, "I'm a chef. not a mere cook. Create a fine dining experience, not merely cook food. The silverware and plate should be elegant, and the rest of the environment should communicate the message. Fine dining experience, since some patrons do not have to refine taste buds necessary to identify an outstanding dining experience from the food alone. The restaurant must manage the bits of information that guests taste, touch, hear, sees, and smells to be sure that each one somehow contributes to helping that guest define the intangible elegance of the fine dining experience in the way of the restaurants what wants the guests to divide it. Realizing the cues communicate, regardless of the hospitality experience being offered. All informational cues in the service setting should be carefully thought out to communicate what the organization wants to communicate to the guests about the quality and value of the experience. If the experience is team, all cues should support the team and none should contradict or detract from it. The less tangible the service, the more important this communication will be. By recognizing the information can glue together the service product and service environment and the delivery system to make a whole experience from the guest. The organization can use information to make the guest experience itself seamless. The organization can manage its information and use the available information technology to tie together all the elements of guest experience to ensure that the guest enjoys it and will want to come back. Similarly, an organization that looks at each manager and employee as a customer for its information can design the organization's information system to facilitate the optimal flow of useful information to those people, adding quality and value through information. Information can be used in many ways by organization to add quality and value to the service experience. Occasionally, information technology becomes so important that it can even transform the organization itself. Information can enable personalizing the service to make each customer, client, or guest feel special. For example, having caller ID to allow the service representative to address the customer by name when answering the customer phone call adds a special touch to the experience. Information and information technology can improve the service itself. While a barcode on the retail product provides the basis for recording the transaction, it also provides a wealth of the other information that enhance the service experience for both organization and customer. Having a real-time record of which product are selling, so the store can order more in a timely or even automatic way ensure that customer will find the product available they want more. Even more interesting is the opportunity to keep track of what types of products that customer is buying so that others can be suggested or offered as an enhanced service. If you buy a book online from Amazon.com, the electronic bookstore may let you know about new books on the same subjects the next time you visit the website. Cross-selling between organizations is even possible. If you if you use your internet browser to do at online search for information at certain topic, an option will appear that enables you to see what books on the topic are available at Amazon.com. Finally, the information technology can transform an organization and even an industry, getting information where it needs to go. Our concern to gather the data that it can inform, organize the data information, and distribute that information to the people, both customer and employees who need is just when they need it. The whole challenge of information system is to figure out exactly how to do this. Hospit- Hospitality organizations that are effectively in getting information where it needs to go recognize the providing information is in itself a service to guests, often as important as the primary service itself, and is and a necessity for employees. They must therefore identify the information needs of both guest hospitality employee in regards to all three components of the guest experience: the service product itself, the environment, and the delivery system.